Critical BIOS repairs, password unlocks, utility tools, LBE Master Kit brings them all together in one intuitive platform. Faster merges, smarter region detection, and reliable results mean more board fixes in less time.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. In this tutorial we're going to look at how to extract a full Insyde BIOS update image from a Lenovo EXE file. This EXE is an Insyde iFlash update image. As you can see, we can extract its contents using tools like WinRAR or 7-zip. The .fd file we've extracted is our source file. We can manually locate the full BIOS image. To find the start of the BIOS header, use the search terms iFlash or BioSEMG. Once you've found the header, simply select the appropriate BIOS size in hex. In this specific case, that is 2 million hex, since our BIOS image size is 32 megabytes. Now let's just copy the selected block and create a new file, and then save it as you wish. We can analyze the BIOS image using ME Analyzer and UEFI tool. As for the error message, unsupported Intel engine, graphics and slash or independent firmware, you can simply ignore it. That is just a known ME Analyzer reporting error. Now let's see how to extract the BIOS image and the EXE file using the LBE Master Kit. This method is actually much easier with LBE, just follow the steps shown here. The BIOS image extracted with LBE is identical to the one we previously extracted manually. Now let's extract the EXE file. In this case, the EXE file can be extracted from the BIOS image file. Two EXE versions were extracted. You just need to use the appropriate one depending on the EXE chip model on your motherboard. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and take care.